Guess what's finally happening?
So I got the cinder and a hacksaw. I'm gonna go work some magic.
Oh!
Somebody's obviously wrecked it. They do have a replacement part for us, and they want $3,100 for it.
No.
Anyways, you should turn the camera off so I can just scream.
What are you doing, Lyndon?
Keep myself tidy. Oh yeah, that's gonna hurt. What do you think is the proper technique?
Maybe go like this?
And then pull slowly?
Yeah.
Oh, I regret.
Firm tug. Do you need me to do it?
No. Maybe count me down?
3, 2, 1, pull!
Oh, I almost did it there. This is way worse than touching a crab. Oh! Oh!
Oh, you're...
Why are you laughing?
I'm sorry. You got this. You got this.
Oh! 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 I think I was crying a little bit.
Are you crying? Was that emotionally traumatizing? Coffee.
So we are back from Kelowna, and it's really nice to be back out on the boat. It'll be fun to get back out on the water, but we do have quite a few projects we need to get done. And we have some new developments, which is we bought ourselves, Tiff?
What?
A new mattress.
Woo!
Yeah, it's a foam mattress. We're actually going to somebody's house because you're supposed to open them. They're vacuum packed and let them open up. But it's going to be so nice. I can't wait.
The cockpit is a disaster. We washed those yesterday because they smelled absolutely horrible. And we just went and finished emptying out the storage locker today. So yeah, I have no idea what we're gonna do with all the stuff, but I'll go help Lyndon unload it. So is that it?
Yeah, that's everything. Not too much, but mostly the sails is going to be the hard part.
Yeah. Well, guess what's finally happening?
We're finally packing the boat properly.
No, that's not. I mean, yes, but look, the insulation!
I'm going to pull some of this down.
Well, it's not moldy.
No, there's mold behind there.
But it's not nearly what, it's not nearly
There's
the mold of my
on
nightmares.
this insulation here. I bet you the spinnaker would fit in here.
Yeah? If it, I wonder if it's just rolled or something, because it's just so...
It's just like packed in there.
Okay, we could try it. That would be awesome.
Pull this up a bit more.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab the other.
I'm sure that's a great shot.
It's a bit close.
Yeah, go get the spinnaker.
Okay.
I'll take it from the flattering angle.
I don't really want to touch this because...
Don't be such a baby.
We had to sew the mattress, kind of patch it together. Nice patch job there. And we're so excited!
Hopefully it fits.
I'm so excited. Let me see what the side is like.
Tiff has been, I wouldn't say complaining, but she has been making a lot of comments about the mattress, and she's tried
many
different things to try to improve the situation. So finally we caved and bought a new foamy. This is
amazing.
and bounds better.
This is so nice. I'm so excited.
So one of the things that could possibly be going on with our engine is it's not getting hot enough, so then it's not burning all of its fuel properly. And so I need to install this little guy, and this is a generic temperature sender for the gauge, and this is what Walde has, and this is just a sender for a warning buzzer that goes off at 95 degrees. This of course is a Volvo thread, and this is just a generic NPT thread. So I tried to buy an adapter, and it was going to be really expensive. So I got the sender and a hacksaw. I'm going to go work some magic in the rain.
Good timing.
Why?
Because I just finished making my tea. Did it work?
Well, now I have to drill this hole to size. So I tap some threads into it, and then so it's going to work perfectly.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm pretty pumped.
Oh, that's awesome. Good morning. So it's rainy again today. We've got just a bunch of other stuff to work on the boat. Lyndon's still trying to figure out some stuff going on with our gauges and things like that. But I just came outside and the birds are so beautiful. I love listening to them all. So hopefully you can hear them. Hard to know if you can hear them, but I can start hearing people too, so everybody's waking up and starting to get a move on with their day. So we better do the same. Lyndon, it's time to get up. How's the new bed?
Good.
Yeah. So as per usual, our projects for today have ripped the whole boat apart to get at where we need to be. Which I am so over. There's one spot to sit there. This is our bed in the middle of the galley. And then there's Lyndon.
Yes.
Just thought I'd like to see where you are. If he's still working on what I think he is, this is day 3. I'm trying to figure out why our fuel gauge isn't working. It used to. This isn't even a project that we had on the list 2 days ago. So that's been frustrating. So I've got 2 different types of bread. This one is supposed to rise for up to 24 hours, but it's already like probably getting close to 2.5 times the size. So we're just gonna see how long that lasts. Might be baking that early in the morning. And this one is like a focaccia. It's called a fougasse. And the only reason I know about that is because I watch the Great British Bake Off. It's like dinner time. Lyndon's been again working all day on whatever he was working on. Whoops, the fuel gauge was not working and he finally figured it out. You're amazing.
No, I figured it out, and then I put everything back together, and then it wasn't working anymore.
You can't lift that in here.
Yeah, I am. You have
No,
to catch it.
I am not gonna be able to.
Hey,
anyway, this chain. Wait. No, Lyndon, I can't lift this. Stop! You're driving me crazy. We can do it how we did it last time.
I know, I never drive you crazy.
Lyndon, are we going to, you want me to lift the whole bucket in?
Yeah, well, you just balance it and then I'll come down.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know me, I'm always sure about things. I'll hold on to this because it'll fall off. I said don't hold on.
I got it. Sorry.
If it falls.
I was trying to balance it this way and you're pulling me back the other way. You're gonna pass out now.
Am I gonna pass out?
Yeah.
No. Hello! No one's under there. Babe, you know what they say?
What?
Fukasa is Mikasa.
That's right. I do say that. This is supposed to be an oval. So, this is how you're supposed to cut it. I think it's like 4 lines here.
Right, I remember this on the show.
No. I want to make Mary proud. I don't have no idea what I'm doing. It doesn't seem like it's right, but I know that this sit for a while. Maybe it will rise or something.
Get the bread, get the oil, vinegar.
I'm gonna do this up.
I'm ready.
So I baked it, and this looks nothing like it's supposed to. I feel like the cuts are right, but these are all supposed to be separate and pulled apart, so I have no idea. It smells really good though.
Also note, it's almost 8 o'clock and it's still light outside. Is this gonna become a thing? I'm okay.
Oh, that looks so good. That's really warm. That was a large piece. Wow, it's edible.
It's edible?
Bread.
That's your reaction?
Bread. What are you working on today, Lyndon?
Our raw water pump, or our seawater pump, has been leaking out of the back. And so I was just taking it apart to reseal it, and I just noticed that there's sort of a floating seal in here.
Is that supposed to be there?
Well, I think I just read this, but if there's any restriction in the pipe, it can blow out the seal. Well, I think I'm going to take all the cooling pipes off anyways, just to make sure, you know.
Probably a good idea.
I don't think it's that hard to do. Look, he's getting closer to getting in.
There's a kitty trying to get into this boat over there. I don't think that kitty belongs to that boat.
I've been doing some preventative maintenance, just going through the engine. And this is the oil cooler. And I pulled it out. I've pulled this one side off, and this shaft is all covered in oil.
No.
So I haven't confirmed it yet, but I think that this shaft, I'm pretty sure it should be dry.
Not covered in oil.
Yeah, or a raw water, not covered in oil. So I think there might be oil getting into our raw water through this cooler, and then that's what's polluting our, making us give the little trail. But then the other side,
Oh, no way.
somebody's obviously wrecked it. They're hammering in a screwdriver, probably trying to get it open. And there's a silicone all around here. There's silicone all filled through here.
No way.
There was a bunch of stuff in there, which is like, where did that stuff come from? Like rubber.
That's insane.
I don't know how much. I'll have to get a new housing.
Oh my goodness. It's frustrating too because, I mean, I guess this wouldn't have been caught on a survey, right? They'd have
No.
to take it apart, but sheesh.
So this is like a good thing because it's always good when you find a problem that could answer your problem. But who knows how much this piece is going to cost.
Yeah. It's big, it looks expensive.
It looks expensive. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Well, they do have a replacement part for us.
This is Volvo?
This is from Volvo. And they want $3,100 for it.
No.
Which is why
Oh
that
my
one
goodness.
was silicone together. Yeah.
That is a lot of money.
I don't know what we're gonna do.
We're gonna try to get like a used one?
Yeah, I'll talk to the owner of the marina here and see what he can find out, because it's, yeah, I mean, it's toast. Anyways, you should turn the camera off so I can just scream.
And curse a little bit?
Babe, we'll figure this out, don't worry, Kitty. Something like this isn't gonna stop us. I'll put on a song for you.
Keep parts. Learn to be ashamed of all the stars. Run away. Sing it. Sing.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Nail that one.
Come on, babe, dance it out. Yeah, babe.
If you'd like to support us on this adventure, click on our Patreon link. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you next Wednesday.